Tiger.
The sound of the tiger is roar. Very good. Grrr, like that. You're angry. Okay? So now, okay, we end here. The tiger and the toast. We end the letter T. Okay? Can you say T? T. 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 Can you say tiger?
Tiger.
Okay, how about the second one? Toast. Toast. Oh, what is that?
Oi.
Oh.
What?
Oh, is that food? I think that is so yummy. Is that bread?
Yeah.
Is that bread? Are you hungry? Oh,
So you. Mama, Habi.
Javi, do you already eat your dinner? Are you hungry?
Ow.
Oh, do you already eat your dinner?
Oh. Tiếp tục con này, nói tiếp tục đi nào.
Do you already eat your dinner? Do you already eat? Do you
Mẹ
already
cô
eat,
nói
Javi?
thế
Can
này.
you say, yes, teacher, I'm done eating, if you are done eating? Have you already eat, Javi? What did you eat? Do you eat rice?
Thế tim hả? Ừ.
Okay, what did you eat? Do you already eat your dinner? Hello. Okay, what is that face? What's wrong? Oh, your shirt has a unicorn on it. I can see it. Do you see the unicorn on your shirt? Can you stand up, please? Can you stand? Oh, that is unicorn. Wow, a pink unicorn. Oh, you can sit. Okay, you can take your seat now. Thank you. Thank you for showing it to teacher. Wow, you have a beautiful unicorn. I like your shirt because it has a unicorn in it. Okay, so now let's proceed this one. Ah, ah, ah. Can you okay, so this is letter U. U. Can you say U? U. Okay, so how about, do you have an umbrella, Javi? Do you have an umbrella? When you go to school, do you have an umbrella with you? Oh, like this. I will show you the umbrella. Like this one. Do you have this one? Javi, do you have an umbrella?
Con có cái này không?
Oh.
Này. I do.
Oh, yes. And what is the color of your umbrella?
Có bảo là cô bảo là
Okay.
màu
What is the color of
tím.
your umbrella? Can you show it to me?
Xanh.
Oh, can you show
Tím.
me? Can you show me your umbrella if you have an umbrella?
Đúng không?
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, so cute getting her
Để cái hộp
umbrella.
có bảo là I don't find it.
Oh, where do you put your umbrella?
I don't find it. Thôi. I don't found.
Oh, what is that? What is that? Do you know how to do? What is that? Oh, teacher don't know how to drive that one. Oh, you're so excellent in riding that one. Oh, careful, careful.
Thôi, thôi, vào học đi con. Nào, để được trái tim nào.
Oh, do you want to play? Okay, I see.
No.
Oh,
No.
do you want teacher to borrow that skater?
You.
I want to borrow your skater because the teacher don't know how to ride that one. Oh, you're so excellent in manipulating that one. Okay. Wow, very good. Okay, where is your umbrella? Do you have an umbrella with you?
Do five.
I don't follow.
I don't
Oh.
five.
I don't follow.
Five.
Fire.
Five.
Fire.
I
Oh.
don't.
I don't see flower. I
Ah.
don't see.
I don't find.
I don't find it.
Oh, I see. You don't find your umbrella. Okay, and that is okay. Okay, so let's talk about this
Wait.
umbrella instead.
Let's not.
Okay? Do you want teacher to borrow to let okay? Okay, next time I want to borrow your skater, okay? Will you let teacher borrow your skater? Javier? I will borrow your skater. I want to ride it on all the street. Okay, so now can you tell me what is the color of the umbrella? What colors are the umbrella have? Color? Oh, sorry.
Neon.
Okay, sorry. Sorry because okay, so now can you tell me what is the color of the umbrella? What do you see? What colors do you see?
The color is
What color? Color? What color is this, Javi? Okay, wait.
Bendigan.
Javi?
Sorry.
What color is this? What color? Color? Yes, very good. How about this one? What color is this one?
Sorry, con màu gì
What
color?
color is this, darling? What color?
It's a red. It's
Very,
a.
very good.
It's a green.
Oh,
It's a.
red. How about this one? What color is this? Color? Color? Javi? What color is this?
It's a.
Hỏi cái gì đây?
It's a.
Hỏi cái này thôi.
Green. Can you say green? Very good. How about this one? What color is this?
Okay.
Okay.
Không tắt đi.
Darling, what color is this? Color?
Cái câu hỏi các color. Đây.
It's a apple.
Yes. Can you say purple?
Thấy hết.
Purple. Can you say purple?
Rồi, ok.
Can you say purple?
Purple.
Purple. Very good. How about this one? What color is this one, Javi? This one.
Đây, câu hỏi cái này. Đây,
Circle.
cái này cái gì?
Green.
Color.
What color?
It's a.
Color?
Nói đi.
It's a.
Đây.
It's
Là.
banana.
Black. Very good. Color black. Okay, so all the colors in here is how many colors? 1, 2,
One,
3, 4, 5. Okay, there is 5 colors. And these colors, yes, and these colors is purple, green, red, and blue. Yay! What shape is this? The one that you draw. Okay, the one that you are attaching. What shape is this?
Năng với gì đây? What shape?
What is the,
It's a flower.
can you say circle?
Circle.
Very good. Okay, so this shape is circle. Okay, so in circle you can make a chain, and also you can make a necklace and a bracelet. Okay? So you can draw using a circle shape. You can draw a necklace, a chain, and a bracelet. Okay?
Bracelet.
Oh, okay. So you can also draw the shape of Earth, of our Earth. Okay, so the shape of our Earth is sphere. Oh, what is that? Can you tell me? Okay, very good. Okay, what is these shapes again? The shape is circle. Can you say circle? Circle. Okay, so now can you say umbrella?
Umbrella.
Okay, so what is this again? What is this, Javi? The one in the picture? Can you look at the picture? What is in the picture, Javi? What is in the picture? Hello? What is in the picture? Can you tell teacher what is in the picture, Javi? This is umbrella. Can you say umbrella?
Umbrella.
Okay, very good. So this is umbrella. How about this one? This is, oh, you're unique. How about this one? Can you draw this one? Javi, can you draw this one, please? The arrow. Do you like arrow?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, so this is the arrow. Okay, so but before that, let's hear this. Okay, for you to cannot, okay, this one. Okay, can you hear this one? Let me share you a sound.
Yeah.
Okay?
Page 2. Welcome.
Yes.
A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Julie,
2,
Danny,
3,
Emma,
4,
Mike,
Okay, so now, Javi, can you tell me where is Julie? Where is Julie?
1, Julie.
This is number 1. It is Julie. This is Jolie. Can you say, teacher, this is Julie? Okay, so let's meet Julie, Danny, Emma, and Mike. Okay? So now can you say Julie?
Julie.
Julie
Okay.
đây.
So this is the face of Julie, Javi. This is the face of Julie. Yes. And this is Danny.
Julie thôi.
Okay, Emma and Mike.
Julie đây. Annie. Emma. Mike. Tôi đang nói về
Okay.
tên.
Can you see the
Giới thiệu.
face of Julie? Okay, so let's hear it again. Okay, let's listen this one again.
Hai chơi Phi bật cười nào.
A.
Cố lên.
Listen,
Julie.
and say. 1,
Julie,
2,
Julie.
Danny,
Julie.
Danny.
3,
Danny.
Emma,
Gì
Emma.
đây?
Emma.
Emma đây.
Mike,
Mike.
Mike.
Okay, so the number 4 is Mike. The number 3 is Emma. Okay, so let's circle their
Maya.
faces. Okay, let's
Maya.
circle. Mike. Okay, so this is the face of Mike. Mike. Emma. Emma. And this is, okay, and this is Danny. Danny. Okay, so how about this below? Okay, can you see the pictures of these 4 children? Can you circle the face of Emma? Where is the face of Emma in here?
Emma đâu con?
Where is Emma in here, Javi? Can you circle the face of Emma?
Chọn đi nhanh lên.
Yay! How about Mike? Where is Mike? Can you
Mike.
circle the face of Mike? The body of Mike? Where is Mike? Mike is this one.
Ai đây mà?
Number 4. Okay? What is the same face of Mike? Okay. How about Danny? Where is Danny, Javi? Can you tell me where is Danny? This
Danny đâu?
one. Danny. The face of Danny. Yay! Very good. How about the face of Emma? Where is Emma?
Emma.
Emma. Yay! Very good. Okay, so now since you know all of them, let's listen. Okay, let's sing. Okay, let's sing. Okay, so now let's hear this one. Okay.
Page 3. C.
Okay,
Sing.
Javi, let's sing together.
Julie, Danny, Emma, and Mike.
Hello, I'm Julie. Hello, I'm Danny. Hello, I'm Emma. Hello, I'm Mike. Hello, I'm Julie. Hello, I'm Danny. Hello, I'm Emma. Hello, I'm Mike.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Julie. Hello, I'm Danny. Hello, I'm Emma. Hello, I'm Mike.
Okay. So, can you say, hello, I'm Javi? Can you say that? Hello, hi.
I am Chico.
Okay, what is your name? Hello? Can you tell me what is your name? Can you say, hello? And you are going to state your name. Javi, can you say, hello, I'm Javi?
Hello, I am Chico.
Javi.
Javi. Okay, very good. Okay, so now, can you point where is your mouth? Javi, can you point where is your mouth? Javi,
Yes.
can you point where is your mouth? Where is your mouth? Can you show it your... Oh, that is the mouth of Julie, Emma, Danny, and Mike. Okay, so now can you sing? Can you sing? Can you give me a sample that you are singing? Javi, do you know this? Do you know a song? Can you sing, please? Can you sing A, B, C, D? A, B, C, D.
इच्छा कर कर एवलोबी to
Chill.
to Davy S Y M D la la la
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing? A, B, C, D.
이렇지 이철 갈게 에멀로비 주어네 주레비 차라라라 YMG 라라라 YMC 나나나나시 IBCD 이렇지 이철 갈게 에멀로비 주어네 주레비
U, V,
차라라라
W, X, Y, and Z. Now
Now
I know my ABCs. Next time,
Hana.
won't you sing with me? Okay, so where? Okay, so Danny, Emma is crying because
ini Emma
Mike
Isu
is
Atuh,
crying
panggil.
because we cannot see them anymore. Okay. Okay, so
Oh, funny.
now can you stand up? Can you stand up? Can you
Stand up.
stand up? Oh, how about sit? Can you sit? Can you sit? Thank you. Can you sit again? Okay, very good. Okay, so this is what the four, okay, the four children's doing. Like you, they are singing. Like very, okay, talk. Very good. How about stand? Okay. How about sit?
Ingrid,
Can you say sit? Sit.
Sit.
Very good. So
Panggil
earlier
sit.
you, okay, can you say sit? Sit.
Stand.
Oh, okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so all of these verbs, okay, all of these verbs, Habi,
Sit.
you do all of this. Okay, every actions that you do, Habi, is verb. Okay?
Stand.
Okay, stand.
Sit. Stand. Sit. Okay, teacher.
Okay. Very good. Thank you for participating with teacher. Okay, so and because of that, I will give you a sticker. Do you like stickers? I will give you. Yes, I will give you a sticker. This sticker. Okay, good job. Thank you for doing all your best. Always, Javi. Keep it up. Okay? So now, thank you for always giving your best and always tried hard. Okay? So I give you 2 stickers for today. Okay? So can you tell me what have you learned for today? Do you learn how to sit and stand? Okay, sing and talk?
Chụp bạn đây.
Cô giáo nói con cái gì? Stop.
Okay,
Nói đi.
so Julie, Danny, Emma, and Mike
Lý,
saying
Mike.
Javi, they are pleased to meet you. They are saying it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. So what is your name again?
Nói
Can you
đất
say
tiếng.
hi or hello, I'm Javi? Can you say
Nói đi.
hello, I'm Javi?
Says. Hello. Javi. Cái gì đấy?
Okay. Hello, I'm Javi.
Hello, I am Javi.
Okay.
Hello, I am Javi.
Okay. For time for today,